Hello, first graders. Today I want to show you how to do your social studies assignment for Friday, August 28th. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into the NC Egg Cloud login and then find your Canvas button. Click the Canvas button. Now you're going to look for the purple social studies button. When you find it, you're going to click on it. That takes you right to the social studies homepage. You'll scroll the whole way to the bottom of the homepage and you'll look for the big blue circle that says Enter Here and you'll click on it. That's going to take you to the calendar page. So today is August 28th. So you're going to look for that box on our calendar. It's a watermelon day, boys and girls. So when you find it, you're going to click on the green box. Our lesson we're going to study today is Unit 1, Lesson 5, Rules, their benefits and consequences. We'll go ahead and click the green box to go to the lesson. First thing in your assignment is your learning target. Your learning target for today is I can explain how rules keep us safe, protect our rights, and help us get along with others. I can connect rules to consequences. When you've read your learning target, you can click the next button. On the next screen, boys and girls, you're going to listen to a story that's called What If Everybody Did That? You'll click the red arrow box to listen to the story. When you're done listening to the story, you'll click your next button. Now it's time for your Lesson 5 assignment. Today the assignment is complete the rules, responsibility, and consequences sheet. Choose a classroom role, draw a picture of yourself following that role, and a good consequence that brings you. Then draw yourself not following the rule. What consequence will that bring you? So boys and girls, you can click on the link to see your assignment page. You can go up here and press print if you have a printer at home. But if you look at this sheet, you can see on this side, we're drawing a picture when I follow the rules and maybe what the good consequence is. Maybe you are walking in the hallway with hips and lips and you're quiet and your reward might be a sticker. Over in this box, it says when I don't follow the rules. So over here, you might be drawing a picture of you running in the hallway and your consequence might be going to time out. Then down here at the bottom, you're going to write about your rule and your consequence. If you can't print this paper out, you can do the same assignment on notebook paper or in your journal. Once you're done doing your assignment, boys and girls, you should submit it electronically. To submit it electronically, you go up here and you click your Submit Assignment button. You can go down here and click Choose File, click on it, and then you're going to choose your picture that you took of your assignment. Then you need to click Submit Assignment one more time. After you've submitted your assignment, you'll click the next button. And boys and girls, yay! Congratulations, you finished your social studies for today. Way to go, boys and girls!